好嗱，咁呢一度咧，我哋會做另一類嘅問題啦。咁就係咧，今次係 given to you, it is an identity, already is identity。OK， 咁因為咧，我哋知道 identity 嘅 left hand side 同 right hand side 咧係完全一樣嘅。OK， 即係只要佢係有三畫嘅話咧，咁 left hand side 咧就一定係等於 right hand side 嘅，係完全一樣嘅。OK。咁如果佢係 polynomial 嘅話咧，我哋就可以咁樣講嘅，因為咧佢哋嗰個個 coefficient 咧係一樣嘅。OK。OK， 咁咩叫 same as same coefficient 咧？就係話如果我話 A 係 identical to B 嘅話咧，咁咧 A 嗰邊如果有一個係 x square 係 3嘅話咧，咁 B 嗰邊咧如果有一個係例如 k x square 嘅話咧，咁佢哋嘅 coefficient 係一樣嘅，咁我哋就可以話咧 k equal to 3咁樣嘅。OK， 得唔得？咁呢個咧我哋叫 compare coefficient。compare coefficient。OK， 嗱，記住啊，前個要求係一定要係有三畫喺中間嘅。OK， 題目話咗俾你聽佢係有三畫，即係佢係 identity， 你先可以咁做嘅。冇三畫係唔得嘅。OK， 得唔得？好，咁我哋試下做一做呢一題咯喎。好啦，咁呢一堆嘢我哋拎開晒先啦。好，咁好啦，我哋真係去做啦。咁點樣做咧？咁又因為咧題目話咗俾你聽 ax plus b is identical to 2x minus 3。咁啊，我哋有另一個字可以形容佢啦。咁啊，呢個咧如果 in noun verb 嘅話咧，叫 identical。adjective 應該 adjective 呢個 identical。OK， 好啦，咁樣 identical 嘅話，我哋可以咁樣寫啦。by compare ring coefficient we have。 OK， 當我哋比較個 coefficient 嘅時候，我會得到啲乜嘢嘢 ？OK， 咁我哋首先咧就睇一睇啦。咁咧就left hand side 咧有 x 嘅 coefficient 嘅。OK， 咁嗰個咧就係個 A 嚟嘅。咁 right hand side 咧個 x 嘅 coefficient 咧就係 2嚟嘅。咁我哋先比較 x 嘅 coefficient， 咁我哋就會得出咧個 A 咧係 equal to 2嘅。OK， 咁呢一個咧係compare x coefficient。Okay? 好啦，咁另外啦，我哋亦都可以咧 compare 個 constant terms 嘅。咁咧呢邊嘅 constant term 即係冇 x 嗰個咧就係 positive b 嚟嘅。咁另外一邊 right hand side 咧就係 negative 3嚟嘅。咁即係話咧 positive b 咧就 equal to negative 3。OK， 咁簡單啲講，即係 b equal to negative 3啦。OK， 咁呢一個咧，我哋就係 compare 嗰個咧 constant terms 嘅。OK， 好，咁我哋就完成咗題目要求啦，因為佢係要我哋 find the value of A and B 嘛，咁已經揾到啦。OK， 好，咁我哋試下睇一睇呢一題啦。咁呢一題又點樣做咧？咁嗱，一樣啦，睇清楚題目。If 佢係 identical。OK， 咁啊 PQ 啊 constant 就 find the value of PQ。OK， 咁 constant 嘅意思即係佢係一個數嚟嘅，我哋唔知幾多。OK， 咁我哋試下幫佢揾下咯喎。咁咧首先咧，我哋就寫先px square plus q identical to minus x square。咁我哋咧就嘗試 compare coefficient 啦。We have 啦，we have 嘅意思係我哋將會有咧啲乜嘢嘢咧咁樣樣。OK， 好，咁我哋又嚟咯噃。咁先嚟咧 compare x square 嘅 coefficient， 咁就係 p 嚟嘅。咁呢一邊 x 嘅 coefficient 咧，咁你發覺淨係得個 negative side 嘅啫。咁呢個 negative side 咧，其實就代表係 negative 嚟嘅。OK， 好，咁呢一個咧就係 compare 嗰個 x square 嘅 coefficient。OK， 好，咁另外啦，我哋亦都可以 compare 埋個 constant terms。咁你呢個冇 x 噶嘛，係嘛？咁呢個係 constant term 嚟嘅 ，no x， 咁係一個 constant term 嚟嘅。OK， 好啦，咁但係咧，你會發覺右手邊咧 right hand side 咧係冇嘢嘅 ，constant term 係冇嘢嘅。咁冇嘢咧 ，nothing。咁冇嘢咧，我哋其實就係一個 zero 嚟嘅，得。咁即係話咧 q 或者 positive q 就直頭 equal to zero 嘅，得。咁個 positive 可以唔使寫啦。OK， 咁呢一個咧就係 compare constant term。OK， 好啦，咁最後啦，嗱，試下做埋呢一題啦。咁呢一題咧，亦都係啦 ，given to you 咧有一個 identity。OK，so here given an identity。OK， 2x square plus cx minus 30 identical to open bracket ax plus 5 close bracket times open bracket x plus 2 close bracket plus b。And then finally we should try to find the value of a, b and c. Okay, so for this question, because you can see that on the right hand side, okay, it is not expanded. Okay, it is not expanded. Okay, so simply we'll try to expand it. Okay, we must do this process, expand it. Okay, so we expand it by distributive law. Okay, so I will do it part by part. So the b, we just copy it here, and then we will have ax squared plus bx plus 2ax plus 10 plus b. Okay, and then we can see that there are some like term because here we have x squared term, okay, and then no more x squared term, and here we have x term, here we have x term, right? So we should write the x term together. Okay, so here it is the x term. And then maybe I write like this. Okay, so here is the coefficient of x. Alright, and then for the rest, you can see for the 10 and also the plus b, there has no x. Okay, no x, then they are constant term. Okay, and then we can combine the constant term together. Okay, so after expansion, we can say that the two expressions are identical to each other. Okay, and then we try to compare the coefficient. Okay, so first of all, we compare the x squared terms. So we know that 2 equal to a, or we say a equal to 2. Okay, or make it simple. I don't want to copy any more things. Okay, alright, so this is compare the x squared, the coefficient of x squared. Okay, and then we try to compare the coefficient of x. Okay, but remember on the right hand side the coefficient of x is these whole things. Okay, so we know that C equal to 5 plus 2a. Alright? So because there should have a plus, there should have a bracket, but actually they can be omitted. Okay, so I write like this. Okay, so we cannot find a C? No, because we have already know that a is equal to 2. So we just put the a to 2. Okay, so we get it from here. So finally we find that C equal to 9. Alright? So for this part we compare with the x coefficient. Okay, and then lastly we try to compare the constant terms. Okay, we found that negative 30 equal to 10 plus b. Okay, so we transpose the 10 to the other part, that will become minus negative 40. Okay, so for this part we compare the constant term. Okay, so finally we get all the answer. A equal to 2, C equal to 9, and B equal to negative 40. Okay.